what can we go into now? I think one of my favorite cars that I recently had up on as my header, but I wasn't too happy with its overall look, just trying to get the gist of setting up a header. Now, this is recognizable by everybody as Richard Rawlings' Gas Monkey Camaro. So, as a joke, and I do actually have the Corvette. Yeah, the Corvette's just over here. I have the Corvette as well. I do not have the Econoline van with the rear engine, but is it here? Is it here? Is it here? I don't think it's here. No, it's not here in front of me currently. But I made my own, and I made it. It was a little bit more of a comical one. Now, this is one that I had done kind of as a tribute to Rawlings and the work that he's done and the stuff. I thought that if he ever did the GTO, the Pontiac GTO, that this was kind of what he would do. So this is what I had done, and you can see that I used the same wheels that he had used on this one here, and these wheels did not come from another Camaro because I just couldn't bring myself to cracking up one of these Camaros. So anyway, this car, I'm not too sure that I have the a photo up. I think I do. Actually, honestly, I think I do on my Instagram. And the Instagram is Scale Custom Craze, I believe is what it is called. I haven't posted there for a while. It's one of the things I want to get back to because I am into photography and stuff like that. I mean, my last postings have just been cars that I've found, bought, purchased, whatever. But this was kind of my tribute, and I thought if Rawlings had done the 67 Pontiac GTO, that this would have been something like what he had done. White interior, white roof, and I wish I had actually done a flat white with a matte finish on that. Is one thing I would have liked to have changed. Some detailing that I should actually finish on this, but I'm very happy with this, the way that it turned out. I think it's actually kind of a very neat car and a good roller. This roll's not too bad. So there's that. Now let's go through some of these other ones. When I first got back, this was probably my first custom, my actually first custom that I had ever done. It was a Camaro that I had kicking around. I love the Camaros with the opening hoods. And the only engine detailing I did is you just kind of do the black wash. Black wash is just going to highlight segments of given areas. But this was just a flat black that I had done, and just did a wheel swap on it. So this was actually one I had done. I believe I did this one first prior to doing the restoration on the Corvette, to tell you the honest truth. Now, so big question is where do we go from here? Oh, I got an awful lot sitting in front of me. So let me see here. This is one of my favorites. Gotta give her a little bit of a dusty. And then maybe I can dig out. Let's dig out one. Give a So here's the Hot Wheels. Now this is not the exact car, but this is basically the casting that I had used to create this one with. Yeah, this original car was in extremely rough shape, and I do mean extremely rough shape. Excuse me. This one here has gotten a little bit dinged up in the move, unfortunately, because we can see here that I have a one side chrome foiled. Pipe was chrome foiled. I got the white walls out of, I believe it was an M2 extra set. And I just saw that car sitting here somewhere. It's the 57 Chevy, I believe is what it came out of. And I did not smoke or black these windows. This is actually a clear windshield. What I did do is, because the interior was originally yellow and it looked really nasty bad, so what I had actually done is I had painted the interior flat. What I did is I mixed a semi-gloss with a flat, and it came out with something that is a lot more resemblant of worn seats, so seats that have been used, or leather vinyl that has been sat on and has been used. So it'll give you some high points, and you get those low points of where it's been worn a bit, which is actually kind of neat. This here, actually, the posting on this on Instagram actually did very, very well as far as its likes and that. A lot of comments on it. It's actually quite a neat car, and I've been asked to do several of these for other people, but of course nobody sent me the wheels for them because I only had the one set at the time. So this is one of my favorites, 63 split window vet. That's a Hot Wheels. I guess I should just kind of go along here as best as possible. I think this video is going to run well over where I really wanted to go, but anyway, I have an African Savannah cat who has entered my space. Go on. Go on, you. I'm a bit of a Jaguar nut, and this is the Matchbox. I have another one around here somewhere. I've got other ones. I've got several of them here. Actually, why don't we just, these ones not done yet. And where's the other one? There's our blue one. So this is the candy apple red one I've done. See if we can get this up a little bit better. Nope. It's just not going to work. So anyway, there is this one here. So candy apple red. Tire swap. And I have not done the front end on this one. Oh, I wish my lighting was a bit better. Yeah, this one here still really needs the chrome done, and I think that I was kind of holding off, waiting for that pen to come in. And the hood, or bonnet if you're from over the ditch, these are actual hinges to a three-piece hood or bonnet. And I've done another one in blue with the same wheel setups. But these two Jags actually came out very, very nice. I was actually very, very happy with these. So, and good roller. There's those two Jags, and this is actually one I'm working on with a new wheel setup. As you can see, it's not been done, and I wanted to bring this one in because these wheels are from Cars. Well, the animated TV series, Cars. Now, they are a little bit bigger, but I think scale-wise that they actually don't look too bad. I still have a lot of work to do on these. They're going to need black washing. They're going to need some chrome highlighting to give them a little bit more depth. This, I haven't decided on the body color of this one as of yet. I'm thinking kind of a like a charcoal, a light colored charcoal. Yeah, kind of was leaning that way. These wheels need some doing. The interior is going to need some work once I finalize the color choice for this car. But this is just another one of the Matchbox Jacks. Right, let's see what else we got here.